Hey guys, first video. I apologize ahead of time. For those of you who are in some of the guitar live chats and such, like at Philip McKnight and Steve from Boston and Tone King, what the fuck is this? So anyway, I'm Showman Blues. That's the long story short there. I've already captured some video of replacing some electronics in an inexpensive Squire with an Obsidian electronics board. It's solderless, and all I need to do is get the electronics part onto the pick guard and then connect the pickups to that. And it should be simpler. You know, God knows how that goes with me. So, I mean, I've already done it, so I know how bad it was. But I'm going to start splicing this part of this video and that video together and see what the hell comes out. And so this is an old Squire electronics that I had put on a new all parts pick guard, but somewhere along the way I decided I wanted to upgrade the electronics, and I saw this really cool pre-set up deal from Obsidian. It's on a little board. So now I'm wondering if I can just slap this board on the pick guard. And I'm going to find out. I tend to think no, because I think the spacing is just going to be wrong on it. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. My crike looks like an advertisement for Diet Coke. So, in case anybody's wondering, I'm horrible at doing this shit. Usually what I do is I get all this stuff apart, I try to solder it or put it back together. I can't do it. I can't see, for one thing. Can't hold my hand still, for another. So I get it all in a big jumble of parts, and then I throw it in a plastic bag and take it to my friend Joe, who's a luthier. Have him put it back together. Always joked with me about bringing him a guitar in a bag. So, the old guitar in the bag trick. Oh shit! I don't know. So here's these. You got some of these. There's 3 of those. There's some washers. Get those over there. The screw. There's a screw. Now, I don't know if this will fit on there or not. I mean, it truly doesn't look like it. Holy shit, it does. Oh, wait a minute. No, it doesn't. Oh, I'm wondering, maybe I can loosen these up and bore these out. I think what I'm going to have to do is, I do have one of those wood, what those things are, router, hole widening things. I've got to figure out how to wire the pickup back in here. Yeah, you got to get, oh, this one. What the fuck, look at that, holy shit. Ah. So this is normally how it goes, so it looks like we're gonna go, but it's so fucking tight. Let's see if I can get this out. See, a wiser person would have bored these out prior to forcing them in. That'll do it. Holy crap. the deal here? I can tell right now I already broke that. So hopefully you all can tell I don't take myself too seriously. Enjoy watching everybody else on here and thought I'd give it a try. I'll probably put up another video on the remainder of this poor guitar. I did get it back together. And there you go, my first video. I bet you can't wait to hear me play. I almost forgot. If you guys want to send me your guitars to work on, please get a hold of me and let me know. If I don't repair your guitar and I really mess it up, I don't charge you a thing. So can't beat that. If I do repair it, yeah, I'll charge you a little bit, but not a whole lot. So just didn't want to forget. And thank you all again.